Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss current affairs of May 7, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PXC, etc. Last two questions are for you. If you know the answers, please comment in comment box. First question. Name the single dose vaccine developed by Russia recently for COVID-19. Answer: Sputnik Light. The Russian Direct Investment Fund, which helped the finance the vaccine, said in a statement that Sputnik Light demonstrated 79.4% efficacy compared to 91.6% for the two-shot Sputnik 5. Second question. When is Rabindranath Tagore Day celebrated every year? Answer: May 7th. It is celebrated annually and globally on May 7th. Rabindranath Tagore Jayanti is celebrated on 25th day of Bengali month of Boishak. In remembrance and reverence for the polymath that Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was, cultural programs and events are held during the course of that day. Third question. Who will be sworn as the new Chief Minister of Puducherry? Answer: Rangaswamy. Official sources said Rangaswamy alone would be inducted as Chief Minister tomorrow, although he would be heading an NDA dispensation which has BJP as other constituent. Fourth question. Which organization celebrates its 61st Rising Day on May 7th? Answer: Border Roads Organization, BRO. The BRO celebrates 75th year of India's independence and 61st Rising Day. Fifth question. When is World Athletics Day celebrated? Answer: May 7th. World Athletics Day is celebrated on May 7 every year. Introduced in 1996, the International Amateur Athletic Federation (IAAF) launched it as a social responsibility project, Athletic for Better World. Sixth question. Who has been awarded with the Airline Patch Global Vision Award for 2021 by IAWJ? Answer: Geeta Mittal. Former Chief Justice of Jammu Kashmir High Court, Justice Geeta Mittal, has been declared as one of the two recipients of Airline Patch Global Vision Award for 2021. Seventh question. Which state's government has announced Gopabandhu Sampadika Swasthya Bhima Yojana for journalists? Answer: Odisha. Odisha government has announced Gopabandhu Sampadika Swasthya Bhima Yojana for journalists. Odisha had declared journalists as frontline COVID warriors. It will benefit more than 6,500 journalists of the state. Eighth question. Which state government has launched Parvat Dhara Yojana? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. Dhara Yojana is being implemented in 10 districts of Himachal Pradesh to rejuvenate and recharge aquifers and conserve natural resources of water. Ninth question. Which union territory has launched an online portal for booking oxygen cylinders? Answer: Delhi. The Delhi government issued a statement on May 6, 2021, informing that all people requiring oxygen for home isolation can apply on Delhi government's portal and their request will be processed on top priority. 10th question. Who becomes the 14th administrator of NASA? Answer: Bill Nelson. Former Senator Bill Nelson officially joins NASA as its 14th administrator on May 3rd, as reported by a global space news website. 11th question. Which country offered to host remaining of Indian IPL 2021 in September? Answer: England. In a major development, England has offered to host the remainder of the Indian Premier League 2021 season in September this year. 12th question. Which company has developed the first genetically modified mosquitoes recently? Answer: Oxitec. The biotech firm Oxitec has released its genetically modified mosquitoes in Florida Keys with goal of suppressing wild disease carrying mosquito populations in the region. This is the first time genetically modified mosquitoes have been released in US. 13th question. Name the renowned sitar player who died due to COVID-19. Answer: Pratik Chaudhary. Renowned sitar player Pratik Chaudhary has died due to COVID-19 related complication almost a week after his father, music maestro Pandit Devaprada Chaudhary, succumbed to the virus. 14th question. Who flags off first supply of biodiesel under the expression of the interest scheme? Answer: Dharmendra Pradhan. The Union Minister of Petroleum, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan, flagged off the first supply of used cooking oil based biodiesel. It was launched under the expression of interest scheme. 15th question. Which state has launched free Swasth Ahar Yojana for corona patients? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. Medical Education Minister Vishwas Kailash Sarang on Tuesday launched the free Swasth Ahar Yojana healthy food scheme for corona patients of Bhopal. Please comment if you have any doubts. Subscribe to our channel.